Nanaano po na ako mga walking bodies, oh. Complete hanggang. Oh! Matias got no scooter, oh. He just want to let his cousin use the orange scooter. Woohoo! They take turns, oh, Elliot and Matias. Cause wow, airplane! Yep. It's so loud. He wants to run po because the cousins are running. Run! Hey! Good job! Good job, Ezekiel! Woohoo! You win? Woohoo! Run! Run, Elliot, run! There's Matthias. The stranger will get you. He don't want Matthias to be very far. Matthias, good thing he's just running. Oh, very good exercise. There's Evelyn here. Ezekiel here is the last one. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. I'm glad Matthias is in the mood of walking, running. Good job. Good job, Matthias. He listened to his older cousins when they call him. Lots of dandelions. Wow, good job, Ezekiel. That's for me? Oh, thank you. Look, Ezekiel. Here, you too.
Yeah, you have it.
Okay. Good job, Zeke. Kuha doon ng dandelion daw. Hindi na ganan. Sa gamayng bata. Oh. Among cake, oh, for tonight. Chocolate, moist cake with my help of my helper there, oh. Annabelle. I'm making this chocolate moist cake. Oh. Walay buak, perfect, no crack. No crack this time. Ayan. Itong frosting na chocolate. Yep. Go. The kids are playing there. Annabelle is scolding. Ready na siya. Ready for eating. Ready na para for after dinner's dessert. Yes. Drawing. Making those circle. Hi, Ezekiel. Good job. Don't run. There's 3. Oh, look at that. Oh. So, ibili ng ilang passenger. Ilang driver. Last passenger. Wow, nice. Annabelle there, oh, play. Yes. Ang tiyas, oh. Cute. Very hot na? Very hot today. Annabelle is running! Woohoo! Oh. Okay. Woohoo! Woohoo! Good job, Tias! Woohoo! Oh! Oh! Who's that? Hi, handsome boy. Who's that?
Me!
You guys should drink. Oh! Race was long. Matthias is on the lead! Woohoo! And there's Elliot! Oh no! Woohoo! Good job, boys. Rex versus T-Rex attack. Go get the big T-Rex, Matthias. Right there, right there. Kiato ni. Big T-Rex. Morning craziness. Oh boy. Oh no! Oy! Eaten by a T-Rex Elliot. Is it Matthias? Here. We just did in the phone. Where's the T-Rex? Huh? Ay, gusto mo tabang. Hindi mo siya breakfast. Hi.
It's hot. Can I take it?
It's not very hot right now because it's just starting. Gonna put the hot dog, sausage. Yeah? Go put over here. Because you like sausage, mommy will make sausage. Yeah, put it on. Right over there. Acha? It's wet. Arte sa akong arte kayo.
Only I want one. But I two.
Two?
Yeah.
So then brother will have one.
No,
And then the rest?
two.
He wants two?
Yeah.
Say hi, good morning. Say we're making breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast na siya. Help na siya ni mamang. Okay, time to prep here. Mommy teacher. No, don't worry. Here. Go. Go, sir. Sir, mama will do. Hoy, scared man, scared. Scared siya. Tapos last time, ang oil, nagtalsik-talsik ang oil. Yan. Job at kids cooking. Supervise. It should be the someone adult. Yeah, there's later water. That's okay. You see, there. Yeah. How many eggs? How many eggs? Hey, kung pajama do. Oh wow, there's a lot of eggs. So there's 6 eggs. So you get 2 in the bucket now. Go get it. Thank you, boys. Mo tani tigsuon nako. Good job.
Yeah. My turn.
My turn. 4. More.
Five more.
5.
Let's see.
Then 6. Yay! Thank you, chickens.
Thank you for the egg chicken. You're
Yep.
the best chickens in the world.
Woohoo! What's in there? Blue egg. The golden hen with blue egg.
Golden hen with blue egg.
Yep.
Let me see.
So how many eggs we have today?
7.
7.
Golden chicken ever.
Yeah, you're the best golden chicken ever. You're just gonna sit there, Ezekiel. Gonna open the door of the chicken, okay? Kaon nila mga panit sa mangga. Thank you, girls, for the eggs. Good job. They're eating the mango that we toast last night. They're running there. The birds. Ready for a big race. Eloise, Matthias, and Ezekiel. 3, 2, 1, go! Oy, naguna-una naman go. Go, Eloise! Oy! Eloise said, you go sit here. See? That's what she's saying.
That is a little ball.
Surrender si Ezekiel. 2, 1, go! Go, run! Woo! Woohoo! Run! Woohoo! Look at this though. Wow! Good job, Matthias! Woohoo! Woohoo! Tia's car! Good job! Doggy, doggy! Matthias. That nice drive? Yeah? You okay, go? Partner kayo. Partner! Partner in crime. Pit stop sa sila. Pit stop. You go. You wanna get, guys? Oh. Good job, Matthias. Oh, good job. Make a wish daw and then blow. This too is cute. Oh. Yay! Pit stop sa daw. Pit stop. Another dandelion. Nakapajama pa ni ba? Pure ni ba? Pure. Zeke, come on, Zeke. Faster, Zeke. Oh. Ay, hala ka. Hala, ismil pa. Why you smell it, you silly? Hey. Eloise. Smile. Let's go now. Wala, nag-ismil pa. One flower each. Good job. You will give me one too? Oh, thank you.
Stop.
What? Stop again, cause what? This is for me? Oh, thank you, Ezekiel. Let's go. We got additional walking buddies. I think he's out of his owner's house. Look, he's wandering everywhere. Woo! We're going back in our walk. Be careful, it's downhill, Matthias. Doggy, oh. He's here, oh. He wants to be part of the walking.
I have that.
Huh? He's fast. He's a very cute dog. We're back. Matthias is very fast. Over there. Good job, Tias. Good job, Eloise and Ezekiel, being good for the walk. Doggy's here again. Hi, doggy. He's so cute. Come on, I know he's following us. Hi. He's a good dog. Say hi, dog. Bye, doggy. Nangita pag ispat. First, they get mad to each other. Ay, ka nice. They're best friend na sila na. Huh? Share, ha, share. Hawa na mad. Because Ezekiel get the chips and then Eloise get it and then he's mad and then. But he can't stand Eloise. He's still sitting with her. Oh! Ah! Ay! Oh! Jumpy! Oh, nag-share si Eloise, look! I know, thank you! Look at Ezekiel's face. Madiga po, no? Oh! Hello? Ah! That little bit cold? Up.
Batuta. Oh. Where is the to? Oh. Oh, nagkaon ng chips. What you guys doing? Silly. Ay. This is Daxton's mas later ba? And you guys spit now. So thank you, Daxton. Daxton. Thank you. Hey, did you know that Daxton slippers? Yeah? Yeah. Say hi. This one. The one you both wearing. I don't know, it's Daxton and Efren, this one. It's from cousin. Mama don't need to buy anymore. Because we have slippers from cousin. Look at Matthias playing nito. Playing. Look. Playing war. Someone is gonna be Marine like his dad. You wanna be Marine, Matthias? Go in a war? Like you like your dad? Oy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.